Happy Saturday morning. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. So I'm so excited because today we have our Universal Yums for August 2019. And I believe we are going to Turkey, which will be really fun, I hope. So for those of you that do not know, Universal Yums is a monthly snack subscription. You do receive, based on the size of the subscription that you go with, they have a subscription that starts at $15 a month. And then they have the subscription that is $25 a month. And then they have one that is $39 a month. With the $5 or $15 subscription, you receive like 6 snacks or so and then some candies. With the $25, you're supposed to receive 12 and then your Yum Yum candy bag. And with the $39, it's 20 snacks. Now, this month I actually went up. I went up to the mid-size, to the Yum Yum box, which is the $25, where you receive the 12 snacks, just because I normally get just the smaller one just to show you guys, and it's always fun, but I wanted to kind of see a little bit more if I did, decide if I want to stick with the bigger subscription. Now, I do have a link that I will put down below if you would like to try Universal Yums, and I highly recommend it because it's just something different and it's so much fun to try new things. And, they choose a select country every month. They give you trivia and facts about that country, which I think is amazing. But anyway, I have a link that I'll put down below that'll save you $5 off your first month. So, even if you went with just the $15 subscription, it would only cost you $10. So I think it's absolutely worth it. It's always, like I said, such a fun subscription to unbox. So we'll decide after this one if I'm going to stick with the Yum Yum box, I think is what this one is. Because there's the Yum box, which is the small one. This is the Yum Yum box, and then there's the Super Yum. So yes, this is the Yum Yum box. So let's get in here and see what we got. Like I said, I think we're going to Turkey. This is what it says right here. See inside for explanation. So there's a fly in here, and I cannot get him out of this room, like, for nothing. He won't leave. I don't know how he got in, probably when I was checking the mail. But it's like stormy outside, so I think that's why they want to come in. But anyway, we're going to Turkey. So this is what you see when you open it right here. I don't want anything to fall out. It looks like it wants to. And this is actually where, this is really neat. On the back here every month, you can vote on the best yum, the second best, the weirdest, and the worst. And if you want, you can take a picture of this and upload it to like Instagram or something, and you could actually enter to win it for more snacks. So that's awesome. So there's that. And then here's our little booklet, and it will tell us some fun facts about Turkey. Trivia. See, here's like some trivia questions, which they do give you the answers to, so don't worry that you're not going to actually know what the answer is. And then it does start and go over all of our good snacks that we got. But then one of my favorite parts is here on the very back. It gives you a clue to next month's box, and I think I always start every video of the unboxing of this by reading the clue to next month, because I want to look at it and I want to kind of give you guys my thought if I have an idea, and then you tell me in the comments down below where you think we're going next month. So it says, we're off to the land of giants and greats, where you can go for the gold, but it's up to the fates. Here you'll find yums both renowned and superb, from fragrant fruit cookies to chips covered in herbs. We're off to the lands of giants and greats, where you can go for the gold, but it's up to the fates. Here you'll find yums both renowned and superb, from fragrant fruit cookies to chips covered in herbs. Ireland? I don't know. That's what it says. You guys let me know. I don't know. I don't know. I have no clue. All right, so let's get in here and see what we got for this month. I may or may not try some of these snacks. I don't want this video to be too extremely long, but I will definitely tell you about them and everything. So now that I've gotten my papers and everything out, this is what it looks like. They always do such a great job getting everything in here. Let's see. The first thing we have here is andul kebab, corn snacks with grilled kebab flavor. And this is it is a baked snack. So that'll probably be good. And then we've got right here. Oh my goodness. Oh man. This is Ulker Crispy Turkish Cracker Baharatili. I know I just screwed that up so badly and I apologize, but this is cracker chips with mixed spices, which sounds good to me. Let's see. Trying to kind of go with what, instead of having a flip. Let's see. Where are you at, snacks? Oh, looks like we got 2 of these. Ooh, and I'm excited because they look so yummy. All right. This is Lush Cocoa Creme Mosaic Cookies. Oh my gosh. Mosaic cookies filled with chocolate cream filling. Yes. That sounds so good. All right, and then we've got, let's see. Okay, here it is. This says Enjoy. Porku Enjoy Cake. Right here. Chocolate and vanilla sponge cake with orange filling. Oh my gosh. Ah, that sounds so amazing. Ah, okay. So good. And then this, I'm gonna have to reference. It looks really good. Kefis Fistically Caesary. Y'all, I apologize. I'm not. Turkish Delight with carrot, pistachio, and coconut. That sounds amazing. I love pistachios, and I love the flavor of coconut, but it's a texture thing with actual like coconut pieces, but I'm kind of getting over it. So I think this is going to be amazing. Yay. All right. So now we'll flip and we'll see what else we got that I had to kind of move around. All right. So we have got, I see mustard. They look like bugles. Can you see the picture there? These look like bugles. Crunch Taco and Hartle Armali Kips. Crisp with mustard taco seasoning. Okay. Sounds good. I haven't heard anything yet that kind of limits my being like, no, I don't know. So then here we have, oh, there's so much in here. Right there. That is Mevlana Sikri sugar candies in strawberry, bergamot, or orange chocolate flavor. Okay, so this actually, you could have gotten strawberry, bergamot, or orange chocolate, and I got strawberry, which I'm actually happy with. I would have been okay with the orange chocolate. I don't know about the bergamot flavor. I love the way bergamot smells, but I don't know about eating it. So I'm good with that. And then we have, oh, this just looks good. Tatson soft nougat, soft chocolate nougat with hazelnuts. That looks and sounds so good. Yum. All right, and then we have, oh, these have peppers on them. I don't know. All right, there. Tatch Crack Kubik Asili Spicy Cracker Sticks. So this, I mean, it sounds good. Depends on how spicy we're talking. Today, cherry donut. Chocolate donut with cherry jelly. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Now I know what it's called. Universal Yums. All right, I'm a bit silly today. I apologize. All right. And then we have some more. This is probably one of the hardest boxes as far as pronunciation. Ulker Crispy Paneer Sogan cheese and onion cracker chips. I'm trying to see because they do, I'm not reading it, but they do tell you more about each snack in here. We'd be here forever if I read everything. But it looks like Swiss cheese on the picture, and I am not a fan of Swiss cheese. So I would probably have my husband try these. But it doesn't even say anything. I don't know. So, but there's that. Yum. If it's not Swiss cheese, that'll be yum. All right, so then we have, this is the last like actual item, which looks interesting. What is this? 5 servings per container, serving size 2 pieces. It says Turkish Delight, rose, lemon, and orange. Right here. Assorted Turkish Delight. Rose, lemon, and orange flavored Turkish Delight. What is Turkish Delight? Is it just like a chewy candy or something? He called them his kingdoms, confections. Make sugar syrup and starch, 6 hours. Cut it into cubes. A sweet jelly. Rinse, extract them, wrapped in lace. Okay, so it's going to be like a chewy candy, I guess. I don't know. A jelly-ish type candy. I don't know that I'll like for the rose, but the lemon and orange I'm down with. So there's that. All right, and then we have our yum bag. This is what I was saying. Each box always comes with a yum bag where they give you like some candies. So let's see what we got this month. All right, so it looks like we got 2 different kinds. So this first one looks like this, and we got 4 of them. And this is Toffix Mastic, soft chewy candy with mastic flavor. Nothing is more fantastic than mastic, at least not to the Turks. We're obsessed with the gum-like sap of the mastic tree and its unique woody flavor, to everything from Turkish Delight ice cream to coffee. I was gonna say, I don't know what mastic is, but apparently they think it's really yummy. So we have that as candy. And then we have, from the same brand, right here, we have 4 of these as well. And this is the Toffix Mellow, make sure you guys can see, Toffix Mellow or Milo, soft milk candy with pear and orange flavor. Now, I bet this is amazing. And it is soft. I can squish it and see. So that sounds really good. So that was our Universal Yums for August 2019. We went to Turkey. Yay! I'm excited to try some of these. I think some of these are going to be really awesome. The only one that I'm really kind of like about is this one, and that is just because it looks like Swiss cheese, and I do not like Swiss cheese. I cannot stand the flavor of Swiss cheese. So that's just a personal preference. And And the only other one I think that I kind of questioned were the spicy sticks, and that's just on how spicy are they. If they're too spicy, that's one thing, but I mean, I like spice. So anyway, I'm going to read the clue for next month one more time, so just think about it and let me know down below. I think I'm kind of going with Ireland, but I don't know. So it says, we're off to the land of giants and greats, where you can go for the gold, but it's up to the fates. Here you'll find yums both renowned and superb, from fragrant fruit cookies to chips covered in herbs. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link down below as well, that if you would like to sign up for Universal Yums, give them a try. You get your first box for $5 off, which is amazing. So that is Turkey, again, August 2019. Don't forget the Tribe Beauty Box giveaway in September 6th. So again, enter if you have not already. And let's get to 5,000, you guys. We're so close. And once we do, we're going to have a pretty epic giveaway. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.